Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see like posts on Instagram. So what you need to do is first of all, go into your Play Store and make sure that your Instagram application is updated. And once it is updated, get into your Instagram application. Now get into your profile by tapping at the right bottom corner on your profile in which your profile picture is being shown. Automatically, you would be referred towards a page or a main profile page. Now what you need to do is get on the freelance icon that would be at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you see there's this settings, your activity. You need to go into your activity, and that would be the third option from the dialog box, and your activity page has appeared up in which there are several options that says one place to manage your activity, and down below there are options like time spent, photos and videos, interactions, links you have visited, archive, recent searches, account history, recently deleted. Now you can always go into interactions, and once you get into interactions, now you can see there are options of comments, likes, story replies and reviews. If you'll go into the likes option, you'll see all of those videos that or posts on Instagram that you have liked so far. So this is how to see like posts on Instagram in 2022. So all you need is to follow these simple steps, and if there is something or any question or query, just comment down below. I would love to answer it. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.